baby, you wintertime cold. The night is still young, drink that dinner wine slow. I'm trying to make the goosebumps on your inner thighs.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look right here. That's on my face. This is a nice holiday glam, fall glam look that you can wear if you're going out with your friends, going out with your family, anybody. You can just wear this just to look cute for the fall and the winter time, because I mean, we gotta be cute, period. So if you like what you see on my face right now, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you already nice and zoomed in. Excuse my little strap keep falling down. But anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do like a nice glam fall look for like if you have like a banquet to go to, because you know a lot of people do like Christmas banquets, Thanksgiving dinner, you know, all types of events where you get dressed up and get glam. So I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using, they're both from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Sophx Extra Spice palette. I think this palette was $15. And I'm also going to be using the Makeup Revolution Marvelous Mattes palette. So we're going to be taking, and this palette is like $7. So we're going to be using both of these palettes today to make a nice affordable glam look. I'm going to go into the Sophx palette, and I'm going to take this shade Brownies right here, and I'm going to put that in all in my crease. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this chocolate orange shade right here. Can you guys see here? Yes. Okay, I'm going to be taking that shade and blending my crease out with that. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1, and that's what I'm using to cut my crease. So for the color that is going to go on the first, almost to the end part of my cut crease, it's going to be this color Everyday right here. And I'm going to just take that in the first part of my cut crease. So we took that color almost to the end. And next we are going to take that chocolate orange shade we used earlier in our crease and put it on the very outer corner. I'm going to be taking a little of this black shade Reputation and putting it in the outer corner as well. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my face. This shirt is getting on my nerves. But I'm going to take the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and put that all over my face. Now I'm going to jump right into foundation. So for foundation, I will be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in the shade Amber. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So now, I'm sorry, yo, this shirt is it's a little big. I gotta fix the straps, but so now we're gonna jump right into concealer. I mixed these two concealers from e.l.f. It's the 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I like to go in with deep chestnut first, and then go over top of it with deep olive. Y'all, I have been loving this brush to blend out my concealer. I had got it in like a brush set from Amazon, and I never used it, but now I've been loving it to blend out my concealer. I don't know why. It blends it out better than a beauty blender in my opinion. So I'm just going to go in and highlight the rest of my face with the deep olive concealer, the e.l.f. one. I'm going to go back in with that Instapot face brush just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. So before I set my eyes, my under eye, I like to go in and do my contour first. So for contour, I'll be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C18. And I just like to just and then I put like a little bit right here. To set my contour, I'm going to go in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette from Juvia's. And I'm going to go into the shade Abbey. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. To bronze, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Always Spicy. For blush, I'm going to go back into that Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette and go into the shade Tobe. For highlight, I'm going to go into Beauty Treats Way to Glow highlighting powder And it's not in a certain shade. I think it's just, I think it says number 3, so I guess that's the shade. So I'm just going to apply this. On top of that, I'm going to take my LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer. To set my brows, I'm going to go in with the Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel in the shade Grind. And then last but not least, I'm going to spray my face with the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set. Okay, y'all, for lips, I know this is going to be weird, but just follow my flow. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealer that I use for my contour, and I'm going to line my lips with that. And then I'm going to go over top of that with this brown lip gloss that I got from a company called SweetsKosmetics. She has recently closed her company down, which is sad. I'm so sad about that. But, y'all, it's just a brown lip gloss. I'm sure y'all can find one somewhere. Don't know where, but I'm sure someone sells some. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please be sure to give me a like. Make sure you comment down below more videos you want to see. And if you made it to the end of the video, comment down lit. L-I-T. Put that in the comments if you made it to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to me because why not? Like, come on, man. I make videos. I try to put a video up every week. I know I haven't been consistent, but I'm gonna start being consistent. So subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, because who wants to miss this? Oh, let me stop. But for real, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video. The only way you miss my video is if that notification pop up on your screen and you swipe it away. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next one.